Are you experiencing eye discomfort like scratchy, burning, or stinging sensation in your eyes? Eye redness, blurred vision, light sensitivity, eye fatigue, excess production of tears. Mucus in the corner of your eyes, then you might have dry eyes. Dry eyes can be caused by many factors like hormonal changes, certain medications, and long hours spent looking at a computer screen. Liking this video so far? Like and share to your family and friends. There are several ways that you can relieve the symptoms of dry eyes. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon is good in improving production of tears, which help to reduce dry eye symptoms. 2. Vitamin A and C. Foods such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and mangoes can help keep the eyes moist and reduce dry eye symptoms. 3. Nuts and seeds. Foods rich in essential fatty acids, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds, can help soothe dry and itchy eyes. 4. Leafy greens. Foods such as spinach, kale, and collard greens can help reduce inflammation and protect the eyes from damage. 5. Probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics food like yogurt and sauerkraut can help in relieving dry eye symptoms. 6. Water. Drinking enough water also help in alleviating dry eye symptoms. 7. Reduce screen time. Digital devices can cause straining and dryness of the eyes. Reducing the amount of time you spent on screen will help your eyes to blink. 8. Blink more often. Blinking helps to circulate tears evenly all over the surface of the eyes, which help in reducing the dryness of the eyes. 9. Humidifier. Using a humidifier in your room helps in adding moisture, which also help in reducing dryness and irritation in the eyes. 10. Warm compress. You can apply a warm compress to the eyes by simply soak a clean cloth in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your closed eyes for a few minutes. This method will help stimulate the tears production and reduce dryness. 11. Dry eyes drop. Artificial tears can also help in relieving dryness of the eyes. It's best to use brand with preservative-free. 12. Avoid air blowing. Avoiding direct air blowing to the eyes will also help in reducing the dryness of eyes. Have you tried all these tips? Tell us in the comments section below if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you want more tips like this.